Welcome to today's live session for BankNifty. Today is Tuesday, 25th of July, 2023. The current time is 9:01 a.m. And let me just quickly share my screen and let's understand the overall context. Okay, so overall, what I am seeing is we are just balancing, and the balance is around the 46,000 level. So for me, 46,000 was an important level. If you watched yesterday's live session, right, live decoding session, that's what I shared, that 46,000 is an important zone, and 45,900 also. So for this was an important zone, and what we see is 45,900 is the area where supply got shut off, and the reason why supply got shut off is who is buying here. So basically, we had a single print zone. So there are trap shorts. So the trapped shorts, or folks who are trapped, in this range, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also trap shorts here, 5. So the shorts, which are trapped here, right, in this balance levels, they are the ones, whenever the price tries to inch lower towards their zone, because what they would have done is, like, the person who is trapped here, right, he would have added some short positions here. He would again added short positions here, somewhere here, okay, somewhere here, okay, even somewhere here. So the average cost, so basically they are trying to just get out from their loss making positions, and that's why the price sustained to move below 45,900 level. Yeah, there are a lot of responsive buying, which was seen, and those responsive buyers or aggressive buyers are nothing but the shorts which got trapped. And if you see, the price just hold, so this is 45,900 level, price just hold for 6 minutes, 6 minutes, not even 6 minutes, the first 3 minutes it closed below, and the third minute it closed at 45,900 level. Yeah, so overall it was just a 3-minute time, or just 3 minute, where a lot of absorption seen, and responsive buying started coming in, and also the supply meter was also suggesting that this is a good zone, where supply is gonna shut off, coinciding with the price action. And if I just scroll this, right, this was also a swing level where previously we saw demand, or supply shutting off, demand coming in. Yeah, similar reaction is seen, and this is now becoming a weaker level, because, okay, let me delete this and let me add a horizontal line. Yeah, so this is a sort of a double bottom, not the exact double bottom, but this is where some liquidity was present. It took, and then we had a nice continuation higher towards the previous day's close, because that's where again seller or supply was present, and any rise above, they were the ones who were trying to take the auction lower. So overall, from the context and the inventory perspective, the overall inventory is short, and now I'm expecting auction to go below 45,900 and tag the 45,800 and the lower levels. Yeah, there was some sideways movement which happened after 2 p.m. So this is the 2 p.m. and where some sideways movement has happened, but overall we are seeing lower value development. We did saw supply coming in, supply shutting off shorts, trying to grab the pie at 45,900 level. Okay, so currently there are stops below 45,700, 45,800, 45,900, and stops above 46,000. Okay, and how am I saying this is based on this particular chart? Okay, so what we have is, first of all, a nice sort of not a trend line, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops above 46,000 level, and below 45,900 we have got 1, 2, and also we have got trap supply, or the trap shorts around 45,700 or below 45,800. Okay, So overall, again, the range which I'm expecting is between 45,800 and 46,100. Pre-open data will be out in some time, but we are in a sideways development, a sideways trend, and I would also consider this as a 3-day balance. So let me just add this. So these are the levels, where I'm going to observe. So 45,931, 46,000 and 46,202. Yeah. This is the ATH. So this is the overall range, where I'm expecting again buying and selling happening. And stops are below 45,900, not exactly around this, but yeah, 45,900 and below is where there are buy stops, and 46,200 is where there are sell stops. Yeah, so that's where that's the overall trade plan or the action which I'm seeing. Plus there is also an HVN supported here, so there is one HVN here, and yeah, this is the major HVN here. There is another HVN at this particular level that coincides with the 46,000 level. Yeah, so even if you are not able to understand this composite profile, simply observing the reaction at these three levels will also help you to gauge the understanding and understanding the market, and what the market is trying to tell us. Okay, so what is happening is we are opening with a gap up of 231 points. So 46,154, 231 points. So the close is 971. Okay, 971 plus 230. So we are gonna open above 46,200 level. Now this changes the overall trade plan, but we are opening above the 46,200 level. Yeah, so 46,210 is also the zone where I'm seeing there would be supply coming in, and what is happening is the shorts, so basically the stops which are under this, right, as the auction is opening gap up, they will be the first one to take out. So I'm expecting some responsive buying, and then I'll be observing the reaction at 46,210. Are we developing sideways, or are we coming or trying to develop lower? Okay, so that is the overall trade plan. So I'm expecting responsive buying right at the open. So 45,988 plus 200, that is 46,000 plus 200 is what I'm just assuming. So 46,200 is the zone. So this is where previously we saw supply present, and this is where again I'm expecting supply to come in. Let me just recheck the pre-open data if that is correct. 46,154. So I'll also check the options data. 46,154. So 46,000 call is what I'm looking at, and 46,400 put. Okay, so overall from the inventory perspective, call inventory is short, put inventory is long. Okay, so meaning that there are trapped supply, so the trapped, or the CEs are the ones who will be under the water, and they will be trying to exit and have a good responsive buying. Okay, but I am seeing supply present. So for the first couple of minutes, I'll be just observing the reaction at 46,210, and also there is a level of 46,202. Okay, and 46,200 and above is where I'm seeing there is supply which will be coming in. Okay, again this chart is also suggesting the same, that there is supply gonna come in at higher levels. Okay, and if I look at the stops, right, so who are the ones? So basically there are stops up to 46,250. So I'm expecting all this stop losses to be getting cleared, and if we see continuation, right, then there are two more stop losses above. Yeah, so a lot of liquidity is going to get grabbed right at the market open. So yep, 231 is where we are opening, and everything is in green. All the 12 stocks are in green, with the major one is Bank of Baroda. HDFC Bank is flat. Now HDFC Bank, and where is ICICI? ICICI is about just 0.71%, 7 points. Yeah, so this is flat. I would say ICICI is not flat, but HDFC is a bit flat. So I'm expecting selling to come in. So let me just go to this chart, because this will provide more clarity. And from the order flow perspective, 46,200, right? So this is the zone where we also have got trapped buyers. So they are the ones who are going to provide the supply. So this is going to act as a resistance zone, because based on the delta order flow, this is where a lot of trapped buyers are present. So they are the ones who will be trying to take the auction lower. Okay, so I will just mark this particular level because this is an important level. This is where I'm expecting a responsive selling, and see if the auction comes below this particular range. Okay, so that's the overall auction plan which I have. Again, from the inventory perspective, the put inventory is long, call inventory is short. Inventory of call being short means bearishness, put being long means bearishness. So inventory data is suggesting me bearishness right at the open. So let's see whether my understanding is correct or not. Okay, so the time is 9:13, 30 seconds out, and in next 1.5 minutes the market will open. So we'll observe the reaction and yeah, we'll see whether the trade plan is or the auction is developing as per my understanding, or are we seeing any change. But we are opening above the previous day's high or the Monday's high, so that's a good sign. So let's see, let's observe the reaction, and I'll just note this down in my journal. So if you have any questions, yeah, use the chat window, or if you're watching this in a post-recorded thing, then you can use the chat function below. And today is also FinNifty expiry, so yeah, let's see. The time is 9:14, pre-open 46,154 plus 231.65, 0.5%. Okay, so pre-open is long. Overall inventory is short. Okay, so we are opening above 46,000 level, and again responsive selling is happening, and we did not even reach the 46,200 level. So what has happened is it has taken out the stops above 46,110, but it is holding. So this is a good sign. This is holding. So now I'm expecting continuation higher. So there are already some trapped sellers or trapped supply. So let me just hit refresh to this chart, and where we are seeing is 46,000 is the point of control, prominent point of control. Yeah, so that is holding. Let me again hit refresh to this, so that will get the timestamp. Okay, so we have got open equal to high right at the open. We have got trapped supply, and we are now shooting up. Yeah, so that was the reaction which I shared just a couple of seconds ago, and the reason is it failed to develop below 46,058 level. Yeah, that is what I was observing. I did not look at the OI data, but I'm seeing put inventory is short, call inventory is long. So put is short, call is long. This means bullishness. Yeah, followed by this level, right? So that was a good quick scalp trade, but anyways, I just observed the market open. Okay, so put inventory is short, call inventory is long. Okay, so no change, but what I'm seeing is there is some responsive selling coming in. Auctions failed to sustain above the current high. It again came back. It is just chopping off, and we saw supply shutting off at the prominent point of control of yesterday. Okay, so we are just still balancing, and overall the sentiment is uptrend. So it was sideways, it is uptrend, and yeah, so this is where a lot of supply is present. This is where supply is shutting off. But yeah, this is the overall range, which I'm seeing. Let me also bring in the essential levels. Yeah, so we are seeing supply good breakout is happening. Okay, but we are entering to the supply level or the supply zone. So just be careful with the longs because we saw supply shutting off, and from the delta order flow, a lot of trapped buyers, trapped seller, trapped buyer, trapped seller. Yeah, so this is a choppy zone. Okay, but we are developing within the previous day's value. We are developing below the previous day's value area high. Okay, so let it chop. Put inventory is still short, call inventory is still long. Yeah, again, no trades yet. Let it chop, let it adjust, let the premiums be adjusted. So I'm looking at 46,000 call and 46,400 put, and I'm expecting price to move lower. Let's see whether that happens, because now what I'm seeing is a lot of trapped buyers, trapped seller, trapped buyer. So there are more trapped buyers. So it is just gonna chop off. It's just gonna chop, and at every rise, so we are seeing, or I'm seeing, that supply is coming in. Okay, so at previous day's open is where supply is coming in. Current inventory is definitely long. We have also got some trapped supply or trapped sellers, and the supplyometer is suggesting that supply is gonna come in. It is coming in, followed by the trapped buyers, and now we are still developing lower. Delta is flat, and now I'm looking to see whether we take out the A period low. So good, responsive, aggressive. No, the tempo is just shutting off. So call, it is developing below VWAP. Put, it is developing above VWAP. Okay, so the A period low is tagged. Now I'm looking for continuation towards the previous day's close, because that's where again supply is gonna shut off, and also to this moving average. Yeah, so again we are coming towards the 46,000 level. This is the 46,000 level, and some responsive buying is seen at that particular level. So those who went long, their stops are getting hit. Let me just scroll down. Yep. But yeah, overall delta is still flat. We looked below, we tagged the POC. So we tagged the POC. We're still developing below the 3-day composite POC, time point of control. we're just chopping around. So there is an HVN at this particular level, that is around 46,000 level. So for me 46,000 is an important level where I am observing the reaction. Yep, it's coming lower, it's developing lower. Come on, go towards 46,000. Does it go towards there? Because I'm seeing bouncing up and bouncing down, you know, jumping up and jumping down. So it failed to develop above 46.58. Now the destination is 45.906, because that's where a lot of lower stops are present. Okay, so we are continuously developing lower. So yeah, this is fine, this is also fine. Okay, yep, so we are continuously developing lower, and the destination is, there are stops around 45.906. so 46,000 level is tagged, but we are not having any follow through, and I was looking for the price to go towards the previous day's close, but there is some responsive buying and absorption seen at this particular level. So I was looking to buy call at 238. It is now trading at 245. That is completely fine. Okay, and see the beauty, just tagged this level exactly to the tick. Yeah. So anyways, I still missed taking the trade, executing the trade, because I am doing this live. I should have put a limit order at 45.992, because this was a good same way in call, right? But anyways, that's fine. The thing is not to take trade, but the thing is to understand how the auction is developing, and are you in line or are you aligned with that? Yeah, it's I'm fine to miss the trades. Let me see if there are any comments. Nope, there aren't any comments. $46,000 level is still intact, and now some short covering is happening. We have got some trapped buyers and sellers, but any up move, yeah, it is gonna invite supply, because we have got trapped buyers, we have got supply here. Okay, so I'm waiting for the POC to shift lower now towards below, or is it coming below 46,000 or not? Okay, so it is again going to chop, so no trades yet, but yeah, the supply meter suggested me supply is going to come in. It did work out towards the 46,000 level, so this trade plan worked out well. Now I'm looking to see some sideways development, and because this is the zone where, you know, again price will move and supply will come, and I'm looking for auction to move lower. And again, the reason is based on this chart. Yeah, so this is where again supply is gonna come in. It is trying to move higher, but it is inviting some supply, and I'm looking to see if we take out the stops below 45.906. Okay, so there is also this level. Yeah, it perfectly just went below it, failed, and now it is developing above. So I'm just waiting for it to chop. Yeah, because previously, if you see from the price action perspective, right, so this is that yellow line which I'm talking of. This is where it was earlier support. Okay, then there are trap people came in. So again, this is going to act as a level of support, because this is the zone where there is demand or supply is shutting off. Yeah, so there is this level, there is this level, and there is this level. Yeah, so this is resistance, this is support, this is support. Yeah, clearly you can see from the naked eye, right, how simple it is. Where is the seller, where is the buyer, where is the buyer? Yeah, so once you know where the seller and the buyer is, right, then you can execute the trades. Now I'm just expecting some choppiness around this level, so it is gonna chop off, and we are still, I'm just waiting for the POC to be shift. Does the POC moves lower or does it stays there? Because that's what I'm looking at. I'm expecting supply to shut off by 45,933. And is there a level? Nope, there isn't a level on this chart. 45,933. Nope, there is a 906 level here. And this is where we have got some trap supply. That's why we are seeing some responsive buying. So I'm looking for this level to be taken out, and below it is again where we are seeing some good supply seam. And if I bring in so we are still trading within the previous day's value. There is no change in the overall auction or in the business, no change in the value. Okay. So I think the sentiment will be, it's still trending up, and yep, it's just trading here. That's fine. So I'm just looking at 46,000 now, the reaction, and also at the order flow. So based on the order flow, we have got supply, we have got trapped buyers. We're just chopping around this. This is the support zone currently which is acting, and also there are trapped supply below this particular level. Okay, so why the price stopped here, is the question which you have to ask. It is because of this, guys, and previous day's close. I'm waiting for this to tag, because once this level gets broken, so first 46,000 needs to be broken, then this level needs to be broken, and then that will give some clarity whether the auction will move lower or will it move higher. So if I look at the options, call inventory is short, put inventory is short. Okay, so now there's a change, there's a shift in inventory. Call inventory is trying to be short, put inventory is also short. Earlier put was short and call was long. Now call is short and put is also short. Yeah, so some sideways, and just stay away, because it is going to have some choppiness developing right now, and delta is also pretty flat. And we are developing below the previous day's time point of control. Yeah, so this is also a level. This is 4631. Where is 4631? Yep, and above this is where we are seeing trapped buyers. So for me, this is an important zone, this level and this level. So currently we are just chopping in this zone of 40 points. So POC has moved lower. Earlier the POC was here around 4680. Now the POC is near the 46,000 level. This is 46011. Okay. Now I'm expecting supply at 4638. This is where I'm expecting supply to come in. Yeah, 46.38 and 46.58 is also a level where there will be supply coming in. Yeah, so it is trying to reach there. Let's see the reaction. It went down. Call inventory is trying to go long now. I'm still waiting for 30 seconds. Put inventory is short. Call inventory is flat. So I'm waiting for that shift in inventory. Okay, so the price is just chopping in this 40 points. Yep, 46,000 to 4640. That is the 40-point range where we are just chopping. Okay, call inventory is long now. There is a shift happened. Put inventory is short. Put inventory short, call inventory long, bullish. Let's see what the reaction. So more buyers coming in. So this was 300 something, now it is 419. This is a resistance level. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to be broken because the inventory has shifted in call towards long. And there is supply coming in at higher levels, so it is trying to shift up. So do I get sellers at this? Again, I missed buying the call at 245, 46,000 call at 245. It is now at 255, 10 points. Let's see whether we have continuation because there is supply overhead. If it continues, it can go up to 294. It is now at 254. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it is still chopping off and just continue observing around this level. Yeah, you can take a screenshot of this and start observing, but now call inventory is long, put inventory is short. Okay, so with that, ending today's session, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, take care. Thank you. Bye for now.